Hello students, today we will study about plant viruses. Plant virus symptoms. Let's know about the important features of plant virus symptoms. It's important for virus identification used to name the disease solely cannot be used to characterize the virus as affected by many factors environment, virus strain, mixed infections, host varieties, nutrition, age, stage of infection. Now let's know about types of symptom. There are two types of symptoms. One is microscopic symptom, another is one is macroscopic, another is microscopic or historical changes. We can say it microscopic uh, symptom is otherwise known as histological changes. Now let's know about macroscopic symptoms. It's a local symptom. It's otherwise divided into three types. Local symptoms important in biological assay. Third is generally produced in mechanical inoculation. First is macroscopic symptom. Here local symptom in macroscopic symptom local system develops near the site of entry of the virus. Second one is important in biological assay. That is its size vary from small pinpoint spots to large necrotic areas. Third point is generally produced in mechanical inoculation. That means chlorotic lesions, necrotic lesions, ring spots. Now, local symptoms, local lesions, necrotic, chlorotic. Now, let's know about systematic symptoms. Systemic cell, first cell, next cell to tissue, leaf, whole plant, vascular system. Leaf means it can be through vein. Cell system means plasmodesmata attack. Next systemic symptom. It appears in different patterns depending upon virus host combinations. Appear in sequential patterns may comprise of different symptoms. Now let's know about plant virus symptoms. First, motile, mosaic, that is phyllody, motile, yellowing, chlorosis, vein clearing, vein banding, phyllody, ination, witches brew, proliferations, stunning, ring spots, vein branding. That under it comes. There are two types: green vein banding, yellow vein banding. Next is leaf roll, leaf gall, streak, blistering, wilt, tumors or gall necrosis. Let's know about effect on plant size. Stunning. It occurs due to reduction in leaf size and internodal length of the infected plant. It depends upon size of infection of the host and severity of the symptoms. Stunning may affect all parts of plants. Type of host, example in perennial plants, takes more time. In vegetative plants, effects are evident more years. Mosaic patterns and related symptoms. Most common effect of virus infection in the form of color patterns on leaves. Various color patterns like green and dark green, yellow and green and golden, etc. Generally depends on different host virus combinations. Borders between green and dark green areas may be distinct and diffused. The patterns appears in systematic sequences. Mosaic appears at very early stages, or sometimes fluorescence also occurs. Other patterns include vein banding along with vein banding, strips, streaks, variegation or breaking in petal color, consist of flakes, streaks or different colors, segments in petals generally due to loss of anthocyanin, patterns on fruits, example cucumber, CMB motile, variegation. Let's know about variegation. Chlorosis. First point is chlorosis. What do you mean by chlorosis? It means the loss of chlorophyll from the tissue of a plant resulting from microbial infection. Example, viral infection, the action of certain phytotoxin, the lack of light to magnesium or iron deficiency is called chlorosis. Now, aloes. Let's know about aloes. Aloe is a plant. Induced by some it is induced by some viruses, example sugar beet, peach yellow, may be slight or severe, covers whole leaf or sometimes sectors of yellow and normal color are formed. Yellowing, a symptom characterized by the turning yellow of plant tissues that were once green. Yellow when mosaic ochre, downward leaf roll, leaf and malformation, BCMY, MB, blistering, BCMB, leaf, leaf blistering of BCMB, MB, P. mosaic virus, that is PEMB. Now let's know about ring spot disease. Ring spot disease. When clearing BCMB, chlorotic ring spot BCMB, tomato ring spot virus, necrotic diseases, local lesions BCMNB, when clearing BCMB, chlorotic ring spot BCMB, tomato ring spot virus. Necrotic disease. Let's know about necrotic disease. Local lesions BCMNB, venal necrosis and local lesion BCMNB, venal necrosis BCMB. Now let's know about banana dieback. Abnormalities of plants, galls, tumors, leaf deformation, shoe stringing, stem pitting, crown gall or tumor, stem pitting, shoe string of tomato, like this. Let's know about banana bunchy top. Witch's broom, an abnormal form of plant growth characterized by profuse outgrowth of lateral buds to give a broom-like appearance. Now rosette. Let's know about rosette. An abnormal condition in which the leaves form a radial cluster on the stem. Groundnut rosette caused by groundnut rosette umbra virus. Now let's know about wilting. Microscopic or histological changes expressed as anatomical and histological changes in the affected plants, generally as necrosis, hyperplasia, formation of inclusion bodies. Internal symptoms. Let's know about internal symptoms expressed as anatomical and histological changes in the affected plants, generally as necrosis, hypoplasia and hyperplasia. In mosaic infected plants, generally hypoplasia in the yellow or light green areas is noticed. Now, cytological changes. Let's know about cytological changes. Virus infection affect various cell organelles like nucleus, chloroplast, and mitochondria, etc. Nucleus induces formation of nuclear inclusion, affect nuclear loss. Nucleus becomes granular, chromatin may be reduced, disintegrated. Chloroplast show disintegration, swelling, or dumping, etc. Mitochondria show aggregation in virus infected cells, formation of vesicles. Cell wall show thickening, deposition of electron-dense material between cell wall and plasma membrane, cellulose deposition, inclusion bodies. Formation of inclusion bodies. These are intracellular structures formed due to the virus infection. Measure cytological effect of virus infection. Some may be seen with ordinary microscope, may contains virus particles, virus-related materials, or degenerate conditions may be nuclear or cytoplasmic. These may be amorphous, crystalline, or pinwheel inclusion bodies. Inclusions are found in the epidermis, DME, tobacco mosaic virus, the in the vascular tissue like citrus Tristraja virus, in the nucleus example Gemini virus and rhabdovirus. Two strains Azure A, which stains RNA pink top left and right, and DNA blue used in looking for viral inclusions. Orange green stain which stain protein crystalline bodies. These are in the form of virus aggregates arranged in orderly fashion, giving three-dimensional appearances. Mostly accumulates in cell cytoplasm, commonly seen in the epidermal and hair cells in the cytoplasm, may be in the form of rods, helical, icosahedral, or crystalline array of affected cells. Pinwheel inclusions, characteristic of infection by Potiviridae family of viruses, PVY, BCMV, and soybean mosaic virus. Others are scrolls, laminated aggregates, etc. Nuclear inclusions. Nuclear inclusions are considered to be a main characteristic of Gemini virus. These inclusions are aggregates of virus particles. Because Gemini virus are DNA viruses, the inclusions tend bluish to purplish in Azure A strain. Blue strands nuclear inclusions in the phloem tissue of an infected plant can help to diagnose a Gemini virus infection. Now let's know about the acknowledgements. Here I gratefully acknowledge the use of some very important contents in this topic. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, and any questions regarding this plant virus you can ask me in the comment box. I will definitely answer all the questions and clear all the doubts. Thank you.